Good morning, dear traders. I'm Marina Generalova and you're watching the latest economic news released from InstaForex TV. Most analysts had been expecting the number of employed Americans to increase in twice compared to December. In addition, the specialists forecasted the unemployment to remain at its 5-year low of 6.7%. However, the indicator is hard to predict. Thus, last month, the US labor market data was a big disappointment for the analysts. Employment increased by a tepid 75,000, while consensus was for 285,000. It turned out that January figures have missed economists' expectations as well. The US economy added 113,000 jobs, below earlier estimate for 185,000. Nevertheless, unemployment fell to the new low of 6.6%. However, this indicator is said to be inaccurate, as it does not consider some categories of citizens who are thrown idle. For this reason, employment data is more important. Thus, the US dollar lost ground amid gloomy reports. The euro-US dollar pair edged up to $1.36.20. This is all for now. We will be back with more news releases later during the day. Goodbye.